Hello folks, it's Ralph with Stray Benzes again. Today I've got an interesting project that is all about the instrument cluster on all the Benzes. They have what's called a T10 light bulb in them, and they are usually pretty dim once they reach 30 plus years old. So here we go. What you will need are two light bulbs. I used these ones here from LED light.com, and as the information as much as I can give to you, hop online or use this QR code. You freeze the screen there and use your phone with a QR reader. Here's also a description and the code, made with pride in China. And you also need a tool that you can either buy or you make yourself, and that's these little hooks here that I've made from an old clothes hanger. Use the plier, bend them in this shape, and I'll show you how to get the instrument cluster out and the light bulbs installed. So here you carefully but very slowly insert this little hook. You turn this around a little bit, and now you can give this a little bit of a tug. There you go. And you use the other one for the other side, and the whole instrument cluster comes out. That's that easy. And now I'm going to remove the wires. They're all numbered in the back there, and also the light bulbs, where they go. I'll show you which fixture it is, hopefully from somewhere in the behind there, and then we'll swap out the old light bulbs with the LEDs. You don't need to remove the whole instrument cluster. There's this white piece of plastic, that's the reflector of the light bulb, and where my finger is wiggling right here, that's the light bulb. You turn this counterclockwise if you were facing this light bulb fixtures. Alright, and here I've already had installed one of those before, but that's where you take this thing out. You install the new light bulb, and see the tabs in here. You twist it clockwise so the contacts make contact, and that's everything that you need to do. I have removed the instrument cluster. You can see that the lights, the indicator lights, are numbered, and so are the ones in the car. So you have to remove all these different things, move the steering wheel column all the way out, and just to demonstrate it, that's the light bulb and the channel that sometimes gets a little dark with age. And here's how you put it in. There you go. Twist it like the other one, and you're good to go. And let's hope that we'll have a good result. I did this video here in broad daylight. I hope you can see the effect. It is pretty darn bright. It is a lot brighter than it had been with the old light bulbs. So good luck. You need to push the instrument cluster in when you're done. Reinstall the wires and the connectors and the light bulbs, and good luck, and don't do as I did.